Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, another 3D pattern or design. It's not all that great, but it's pretty easy to draw, and it will basically maybe give you some ideas. I'm going to hit holding down the control button, I'm going to make a perfect square. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm actually going to bring this one in a little closer so you can still see it. Then, taking that one and Control D, and holding down the Shift key, it'll grow it from the inside out. Take your shape tool and bring in your corner just a little bit. Now we need to Control D this one and get the 4-point cross, not the 2-line cross, but the 4-point cross, and have it snap to right there. I think you can already see where I'm going there. 2-point line. You could go from that node to this node, but hold down the control button so it's perfect. Then I would get the Smart Fill tool. What the Smart Fill tool is going to do is going to make a new object. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on it, move it to the center. I'm going to bring in the indexing line. You can see it's not there, but it actually is. And I want to rotate it 90 degrees. Now I can get rid of these other lines, make it less confusing maybe. And I'm going to take both these and left click, right click. And all I have to do is delete that line. Now I'm going to take this one and Control D. I made a new object, so I have to redo the center and rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, and we got our one more broken line. Now you almost have to fill it in with a color to make the interactive fill tool work, so I'm just going to color them all in yellow. Now we've got some things going on here that we're going from light to dark on both ends. So we're going to start on the top, and really you could rotate this, and let's try that. Let's move our nudge factor to like 6 inches and nudge that out of the way. Go ahead and delete all this and nudge that right back. Now let's use the interactive fill tool and let's go from one side to the other. Let's put black on both ends, but before we do that, we need to put a color in the middle so it won't all be black. And then put black on the other end. And this, whenever you do that, you just back up if you miss that mark. Now, it's a little bit probably overkill on the black, so we're going to string it out. And then what I like to do is go right here to smooth it out, and it makes it not quite as powerful. Now here's the advantage. I think I minutely moved it. Control D and make a duplicate. Move the center rotation of there and rotate it 90 degrees. And what's that going to do? It's going to get our smart fill in the same direction that we need. And that in alone is pretty cool. That wouldn't be too bad, but we need to change the color. Well, it's really easy with this interactive fill tool. We'll just change that center color. Grab that one, change that center color. Grab that one. Let's see what I haven't used. I haven't used the yellow. And it kept the interactive fill tool in order. I think I did a better job on my first one, but you get the idea. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.